are going to do the turtle. Now, here he is in box form, and I've gotten a lot of questions about the turtle, how to do him. He's so freakishly easy. You're going to be surprised at how easy he is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 30-second card. Then, once that's done and Kenny has done the time, then I'm going to go back and show you additions I can add to him to make him like Turtle 2.0 versus a 30-second card is going to be Turtle 0.1, right? Or Turtle 1.0. So I want to show you different versions of him, and not necessarily this. It's going to be the same one, is what I'm trying to say. So
a quick version and a more detailed version.
Yes, but it's going to be the same version.
Yes, same
one.
Same card.
Same one. I'm just going to do 1.0, and then we're going to do Turtle 2.0.
You must stamp somewhere on your card, though, for it to qualify for a 30-second card. Just so you know.
You did not say that earlier.
You must stamp something on there.
You did not
because
say that
we go through this
earlier.
every time. We are the stamps of life.
I know, but you did not.
That means
okay, here I have a stamp.
We want to put a stamp on there.
This one's a cute one. Ugh. This is a cute one.
Got to show off those stamps.
This is actually not available on our website. Ha! It's on HSN. But it's the one I like, just a little something. Actually, I just designed another product that there's a die set that says just a little something because it's really cute. But we're going to use this one. Boom. Ha. Gotcha. You thought you were going to throw me off with that, and
But watch this.
I saved it. What? Jeannie says the back will have a stamp. Thank you. Thank you. What?
You see this down here at the bottom?
I see nothing down here at the bottom.
That will
no. You are a jerk. You are a jerk. Stop it. Why is it saying 8 seconds?
I'm just showing you.
Okay.
This is what you have to look forward to.
The things he doesn't tell me all day long, and then I get this fun stuff. So can they all see that?
Oh, yeah.
Can they all see that? Oh, my goodness.
We're going to know the official time. No cheating.
No cheating. Shirley, orders to you should not get stuck in customs because aren't you in Ohio? So those should not get stuck in customs. Once we ship it to you, there is no more customs, thankfully.
In the USA, no customs. Just going over the borders.
Thankfully. Now, this is a fold it, so it will be a shaped card. And what else? Oh, and Ken wanted me to tell you, and I put it over here so I wouldn't forget. If you are not in the Die Hard Club and you're in the Stamp Club, or you bought the stamps for the Chips, should have called them Chips Ahoy, but I think I'm not allowed to do that because that's a real name. Chips Galore. So if you are in the Stamp Club and you got this, the dies are now available. Just a heads up, 7-Up on those. Those dies are now available.
You could do like Chips Aha or something
Chips
like
Aha.
that. You know?
Awesome. Now we are going to, the flipping thing is like really driving me crazy, you guys. Look, half none, half yes, half blah. Now, oops, what's that one? Oh, I love that one. Okay. So what we're going to do is I've grabbed some colors of cardstock. I grabbed Kiwi Sage and Vanilla. Oh, yes. Shelly wants me to remind you to please like and share and give us a thumbs up or a heart, depending on where you are in internet land. Hi, lifers. Kimberly said hello. And also a share. It was a sneak peek, Carol. Sneak peek. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a fold it. And Ken is being extremely rude by, by putting the timer live. So this is awful.
We're not just going to let you make up any times you
want. I know.
want.
This is not fair. This is not fair. Gosh, I'm tired. You guys, VBS this week has kicked me in the bum. Having to get up early, like 6:30 every morning.
Makes you want to be a teacher, huh?
Yeah. Every time I tell Ken, I never got to be a teacher. And he's like, you could never get up at 5:30 every morning. You know that. And I say, you're right. Then that feeling goes away. So what we're going to do is we're going to make fold it. And I'm kind of cheating right now because I'm thinking in my brain. Because now Kenny's really putting the stress on me.
Yes.
That... Hang on.
You can do it.
I can do it. Oh, I know I can do it. It's just now you're going to like make me really do it. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. The breath.
Carol, you're so cute. Sharon says you're our teacher. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Jane says she's not a morning person at all. Me either. It's just not for me. On your marks. This is a fold it. Get set. Linda says, with what Fold It Club did you start having the extra stamp set available?
It's been about
4 or 5
4
months.
or 5 months, yeah.
4 or 5 months. No idea. Started this year. On your marks. Laura says, just don't look at the clock. You're right about that. I'm not going to be looking at nothing, except I'm going to. I'm going to try not to look over there, but I am. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you give us a subscribe. I'll talk like the Lego guy. Make my day and give me a subscribe. And click the notification button.
The timer is on.
What?
We're ready. We're waiting
Okay,
for
go.
you. You're just
yakking. Go. Dun, 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 dun. See, I'm just like, I'm trying to like
stall.
You're
not going to get out of this.
I'm trying to stall. I don't want to. Oh, so I'm going to put this. See, you have to do all the cameras because I can't do the cameras.
I got it.
So you actually have to work tonight. You don't even get to like just watch because I know you just like to watch me work.
Yeah. Wonder what she'll make tonight. I'm gonna watch.
There you go. See? Okay, so that went through the machine. Now we're going to lift this up. So yes, you can do 2 layers in the Grand Marquis because it's an amazing machine. Now I do have this funky fold on the side, right? Funky fold. So we're going to take that same die.
A white turtle.
No, he is, shush. He is, this is vanilla, dude.
Albino.
And we are going to trim this down because you want to trim your cardstock down. There we go. We're going to lay that down. You know what? We might not need that. We're going to run this through. Dun, 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 dun. I should have, I don't think I could have used a smaller cutting pen. Okay, there we go. And we're going to lift this up. Now we're going to lift this up. Now this is going to go right on top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to die cut these. And I'll be honest, we are going to do both at the same time. So we're going to do the exact same thing we did before. We're going to trim this down. Whoops. Like that. And we are going to die cut both of these. Now, most of the pieces in here are pretty small. I mean, not too small that they will need adhesive on the back. So I'm not going to think about it right now. We'll see where we're at when we get this done. So now we have 2 of these because, yes, I can cut 2 at the same time. And I have all these little spots. And I should have grabbed adhesive before I started. There we go. And so now what we're going to do is we have to decide what color we want our turtle. And in all honesty, I want him sage. And I have a hair on me. It's driving me crazy. So let's get our Actually, you know what? I'm just going to lay this baby down. So let's get this baby down. So we're going to add this. We're going to go all the way around. Don't ever do adhesive. Don't ever do adhesive on your secret repping like I am, because it's not a good idea. Like I am right now. It's not safe. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to lay this down all the way around. We are going to have that shadow. Dun, 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 dun. Now we're going to get those little pieces and we are going to add some adhesive to them. And we're just going to paper piece those in. So look how cute that is. Now we got to find the other pieces. They are stuck to, oh, you know what we can do is do this. Watch. There, and then see how it came apart. And we're going to add, are you like making tick sounds? You're a punk, man.
No.
You are a punk.
No, it wasn't me.
And I heard you doing it. And we're going to add that one. Now I have to find the little one. Where? Oh, here he is. Oh, he went under. Okay, so I'm getting a little tricky here.
Why don't you guys are in the chat? Why don't you go ahead and post what time you think Stephanie's going to finish this? And she's off to a very good start. So
I am or
guess
not?
Your time right in the chat. You are. You're doing great.
Okay, so now I have eyes and I have arms.
You guys
so
post your guess.
Arms need to be in sage, and the shadows technically could be in. I like to do shadows on these also, so those are going to go there. Eyes are black or brown or gray. Gray is awesome. I like using gray for eyes. So this has adhesive on the back.
The guesses are starting to come in.
Oh, don't offend me, you guys.
Oh, no,
Please
I see
don't.
some. They have high expectations for you.
Oh, gosh.
Yes.
Don't. Oh, I'm just, this is a mess. This is a mess. This is a mess.
There we
Okay,
go.
so here we go. There's one. There's two. We're going to throw all of these in there. Probably could use a smaller cutting pad. Whoa, Nelly.
Some of our viewers have a lot of faith, and some have just a little faith.
I have no faith in this system.
Doing good. You're doing good.
Oh, stop. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on, Stacy.
Turtle is the right color now, so that's one step in the right direction.
Did I make you nervous with my
white
vanilla?
turtle. I mean,
It's
vanilla.
not white. It's vanilla.
Oh.
There's a difference.
I've never seen a vanilla turtle, so yes, that did have me
Well,
a little bit
okay,
scared.
so now we have what looks like big jelly beans, which is kind of funny.
Sue, you cannot guess 3.5 minutes because we're already past 3.5 minutes.
Oh, don't tell me! Don't tell me!
Sue, you are disqualified.
You can vote again. Vote a different one,
Try
Sue.
again.
Okay, so we're adding these cute. Now, you don't have to add the layers. Like, you could just do his hands like this. But, why do I have two of these?
This turtle needs some glitter or something.
Okay, stop. I can't talk to you and do this at the same time. So stop. Where'd the other piece go? Oh, there it is. He thinks he's funny, you guys. Do not encourage him.
This is great.
Stop.
I just give a commentary while you make a card. This is awesome.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going
Don't
to...
do that. No.
What? Oh my gosh, shush.
Don't listen to me, Stephanie.
I'm
Just
trying not
make your
to.
card.
Now I'm going to lift these up because I want just the shadow die to show on my guy. So I'm doing something a little special.
This is going to be a fancy turtle.
Shush.
Oh,
What was that?
we have lightning in the studio.
Lightning? Oh, great.
Lightning flashes.
And this one's going to do the same. So I'm just going to kind of pick this up. So what I'm doing, can they see what I'm doing?
Oh, yeah.
So the shadow is just, see how it's just the shadow. You know what? His arms, okay, whatever. It is what it is. Now we are going to get, where'd his eyes go? Here's his eyes. Remember I told you those had adhesive on the back. And, tweezers, here we are. So people always ask about pokey tool. I always use my tweezers, you guys, because then I don't have to have another tool. Why? How many tools do you want to have? 400 or one, right?
One.
So the tweezers do a pokey tool and tweezers, which to me is a two in one, right? Okay, so there's my little guys right there. Now I need to do the inside, green. Okay, here, you wanted glitter? Here's your glitter.
Yes,
I have
finally.
glitter for you.
That's the way you take
have
advice from the crowd. I like it. And you know what I would do with the eyes and
No,
the
stop.
toes?
Stop. You don't get that much say.
Oh, they're readjusting their times. Yes.
Oh, no. You lost faith in me.
Way to go.
Uh-oh, and that didn't work. It didn't go all the way.
A little bit
Darn it,
higher
I
than
gotta
that,
do it again.
Gina or
I
Karen.
gotta do it again.
No, too low.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now it might not be glitter because, oh wait.
Oh
my goodness. It didn't get on there all the way. Oh my gosh. This is ruining
No, Ken
everything.
will not make one next.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
I
we're
would be
gonna
over
use
there
this one.
shaking at the die cutting machine because I would be nervous because you guys would be
stop.
watching it for time.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this one up. It didn't get, I kind of cut some off, but look how cute that is. So we're gonna fix that because watch this. We are going to give him some presents.
Yes, ooh, that's a good idea.
To give, look
a
at that.
good,
So I
quick
covered that
idea,
mistake.
too.
Woohoo! What'd you
Quick-
say?
That's a good quick idea too.
I know. And
Nice
he's going to
one.
hold this present
Ooh,
there.
double presents.
Now we're going to put this on the, were you all of a sudden impressed?
Yes.
I got glitter on there and everything.
Now we're moving.
Okay, now we're going to lay this down right here, right on
If
top.
I
It's
would have
gonna
made it,
fit.
I would have done it just like this.
Oh, stop. And then we're going to open him up because apparently I was told new rules.
Must.
That, where's that stamp? Where'd the stamp? Oh, here it is. But I should have gotten a block for it, huh? Okay, so here we go. Here is the back stamp because it's just the one that's on the block. So we're going to use it. Dun, 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 there. And then we're going to grab this. And you know what? I don't even take things off. I'm not even going to take it off the block. I'm just going to grab this, use the
Throw a
same
little
block.
sticker
Ooh,
in there
come
on the
come
inside too.
What?
Throw a little
it's not
sticker
gonna
in
fit
there on the inside.
Oh
Or
my
some
gosh.
stars.
Oh my gosh. There's no, stop talking. Stop. Just seriously stop.
I wouldn't do it that way.
Oh my gosh. I cannot even find a block. Here's a block. That's not fair. That's not fair. I should get a couple points for that. I'm not even going to. Okay. There we go. And stop. What are you doing?
I got it.
You're not even
I
paying
got the time. I wrote
attention.
it down. I didn't want everybody to see.
Okay. Okay. So here he is. Here's my cute little guy. Look how cute he is. So simple. But see how I did the shadow Because if I didn't do that shadow on his arm, then it would like just be like his little arm. But I wanted him to have a shadow for his arm. So that's why I gave you the shadows. And then he's holding presents. This is from the Birthday Vibes. These puffy stickers are cool because they're matte. They're not shiny. So I love the matte. And then we're going to open this up, just a little something. And on the back, SB 2025. Dun-dun-dun. Did it.
Great job.
Thank you.
Your time?
Thank you. I can't see their comments.
Oh, why did that go
Hang on. I know. There's for some reason it just does not let me see your comments all the time. There we go. Love it. Thank you, Barbara. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Brenda. Brenda's at 8 minutes. Is it really that bad?
Yeah, but it's a good card.
Oh, don't say yeah.
What, Stephanie, do you think the official time was? It's in the 8-minute range.
Is it really?
Yes.
I would say 8 minutes and 34 seconds.
Very close. 8:35.
Oh, I was a second off?
You were good.
Dude, I didn't even look at the camera the entire time either.